This one here is $69,000, just like you see it. Or you can buy it fully turnkey for $110,000. The big Bertha over there, just like you see it, is $79,000. Or you can buy it fully turnkey as well for $110,000. So this one here is a 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. It's got a black metal roof on it, black shutters to match. Beautiful day, by the way, out here in Indiana. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful day. Sun is shining. You can see we got the big Bertha 3.0 over there, has been disassembled. That one's been sold, so we're getting ready to ship that one out. Let's go in and show you the inside of this one. Again, very generous 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch, as you can see here. It does come with the porch swing. Everybody always asks, is the porch swing included? Yes, it is. You can see here on top, we got the hinges that allows for the top of the porch to be folded down. There's also hinges here on the bottom deck to allow the bottom to be folded up. You get these railings taken out. Those go in the cabin, and that's how we're able to fold this cabin up and ship it all over God's country here. As you can see, this is a log stack cabin with the 4x6 timber stacked all the way up. And then you got your gray matter in between the timber called chinking or log jam, and that's what seals the cabin shut. That way, keeps your cool air in the summer and your hot air in the winter. Again, this is the cabin we call the El Chapo Muchacho Rustic 1.0 cabin. Just a beautiful structure, 1-story ranch. Let's take you inside of this bad boy real quick and show you what the inside looks like. Before we do, take note of the beautiful handcrafted wooden screen door. Looks like someone's already been here today, so they got the door open. We do get a lot of visitors. And when you walk in, first thing you see on the left, of course, is the open concept living room area. And then you got your kitchenette that's gonna go over this way. Okay, over here is where your stove's gonna go, and your refrigerator goes over this way. And as you can see, we got the kitchen sink there that we're gonna put over here. Remember, we can also add more kitchen cabinets on top. It's up to you. And this is kind of like the 360 view. There's your front door. And again, this is what it looks like in the living room area. You got those pretty knotty pine floors. You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And again, just a super cool rustic Amish built cabin, right? This is built by the old order Amish. Beautiful. Again, the dimensions of this one is a 14 by 40. And it does have a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. You can order this one as a 1 bed, 1 bath, or in this case, we modified it and made this one a 2 bed, 1 bath. So you can see we got the sliding barn door here, which leads to your first room here, which will be your full bathroom. So just gotta imagine it with your tub, toilet, and sink. And we put that on the other side of this wall for obvious reasons, right? Because this is where all your plumbing lines is gonna go from underneath. Okay, and then another sliding door here that goes into bedroom number 2, which can easily fit a full size or queen size bed. And remember, if you only need a 1 bedroom, we can combine this bedroom with this bedroom and make you a much bigger bedroom. But in this case, like I said, we got this set up as a 2 bed, 1 bath deal. So this is gonna be your master bedroom. As you can see, lots of natural light. You got 1 window there by the front porch, 1 window here on the side, and then 1 window towards the back. And again, just a super cool structure built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. Again, this one you can buy just like you see it here. We call this the finished shell. This is $69,900. Or if you want it fully turnkey move-in ready, we can do that for $110,000. This is the one we call the carrot top.
Hey everybody, We are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I'm gonna go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the quartz countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday in the, and Osi can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but
yes,
we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But
yep,
some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's
yep,
really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy.
Very handy.
Yes.
Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space.
Yep.
In this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. Mm-hmm. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue
very
concept,
cool,
which I think really kind of looks very. It's almost like you're on a permanent vacation.
Yeah,
in this.
It feels truly like home, or if you. I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. The walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy. And look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's going to make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom, we just show, and this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's
Absolutely.
Your windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim.